Hey everyone, is Cloud AI running slower than usual? In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cloud AI slow performance issues step by step. Yeah, whether you're experiencing slow loading, delayed responses, or lag while using AI tools, these solutions can help improve your experience. First, check your internet connection. Cloud AI depends on a stable and fast connection to process requests properly. Try restarting your router, switching networks, or testing your connection speed if pages and responses are loading slowly. Next, refresh the Cloud AI page and try again. Sometimes temporary browser or server issues can cause delays. A quick refresh can often solve small performance problems. If Cloud AI is still slow, close unnecessary browser tabs and applications running in the background. These can use your device resources and reduce overall performance. Another helpful step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, remove old stored data, then restart your browser before opening Cloud AI again. You can also try using a different browser or enable private or incognito mode. Extensions and outdated browser settings can sometimes slow down web-based AI tools. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. An older browser may not work efficiently with modern AI platforms and can cause slower performance. If you are using large files, complex prompts, or heavy AI tasks, try simplifying your requests or working with smaller amounts of data. So, reducing the workload can help Cloud AI respond faster. If the issue continues, check whether Cloud AI services are experiencing high traffic or temporary slowdowns. Sometimes performance problems can happen on the service side. And that's how you fix Cloud AI slow performance issues. By improving your connection, optimizing your browser, and managing your tasks properly, you can get a smoother AI experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.